Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabrina Haq, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 8 student and on the based on assignment number 3. Dear students, your last assignment of science you will get from chapter 7 and chapter 11, and today I will discuss only the answer of chapter 7's one question answer. So come to our today's topic. Dear students, the name of the chapter 7 is the Earth and Gravitation. Lesson 2 and 3 and lesson 6 are included to your assignment number 3. And first question is, why is gravitational acceleration different in different parts of the world? Explain. And second question, explain why your weight on the earth is 50 kg but it decreases on the moon. And next question, this is belongs to chapter 11. The name of the chapter is Light. And from this chapter, lesson 1, the refraction of light, and lesson 4 to 5, practical application of refraction of light, and lesson 6 to 7, total internal reflection and critical angle. The question is, take some water in a shiny glass. Now throw a stone in the glass and do the following. First one, try to see the stone directly from the top of the glass. Second one, try to look at the stone a little bit obliquely. Third one, try to see from the below of the water level in the glass. What happened in the 3 stages and why? Explain them. Dear student, today we will only discuss about the answer of 1. Dear students, for this you need your textbook. Take your textbook, open page number 72 and follow the class from page number 72. You need page number 72 and 75 for the question answer 1. Dear students, again we will move for our answer. This is answer of 1. First, you will write an introductory line according to the question, and then you have to write this line. This is from page number 72. If the distance of the body at the surface of the earth measured from the center of the earth, that is the radius of the earth, that means R, capital R, then G, that means the acceleration due to gravity is equal to the gravitational constant, universal gravitational constant multiply with the mass of earth inversely proportionate to the radius of the earth's square. Dear students, you have to give the G equal to, capital G equal to, M equal to and R equal to in your question answer. Then, since the earth is not a perfect square, R is not really constant. This R is the radius of the earth. In place of earth, you have to write radius of the earth is not really constant. So, the value of G is not equal everywhere. In the place of G, you have to write the value of acceleration due to gravity in bracket of G is not equal everywhere at the surface of the earth. As we move from the pole to the equator, the value of R increases and the value of G is decreases. At the equator, the value of G is minimum. It is 9.78 meter per square second square. The value of G in the polar region is 9.832 meter per second square at the surface of the earth. For the convenience of calculation, the value of g is taken as 9.8 meter per second square. Dear students, you need this part from here to here only for this question answer from and this part too, and with here you have to write g equal to then capital G equal to then capital M equal to and R equal to. This abbreviation you have to give for the answer, and with this you need this part. This is from page number 75. Since the earth is not a perfect sphere, all points on the surface of the earth are not equal distance from the center of the earth. As the value of g at a point depends on its distance from the center of the earth, the value of g becomes different in the different places on the earth's surface. At equilateral area, the radius of the earth is largest and the value of g is lowest. That means here also given the value 9.78 meter per second square there. This line no need in this question answer. This is for weight. And as we move from the equator to the poles, the radius of the earth decreases and the value of g increases, that is 9.83 meter per second square. No need to write these lines which are in bracket. I am cutting this line. No need of this line too for this question answer, because this is only for acceleration due to gravity, and you need this line too. As the poles, the radius of the poles is minimum, the value of g is maximum. And last line is that also about the weight, no need of this line, and you have to merge these two para and you have to write according to your answer. You need as per the question, and last conclusion line you have to add, that is why gravitational acceleration different in different parts of the world. I am writing this. This is the conclusion line. Now, dear students, come to your assignment topic. This is assignment 3's topic. The earth and gravitation, you have to give a semicolon, then you have to write light. Now, the submission date. The submission date is 6th December 2020. Dear student, the rest part of your assignment I will discuss in my next class. Up till then, keep practicing, read the chapters properly and make your assignment the first part, that means the answer of question 1, and stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.